back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be reinstalling the camshaft. I know I'm going to learn a lot today, and I hope you guys will too.
Alright guys, so I got the camshaft here. It's a Texas Speed and Performance 228R camshaft. This camshaft has a 588 lift on it with a 112 LSA, which is a low separation angle, so it's going to give you more mid-range power, and it's going to make your idle a little bit more choppy, which I think those are both good things. But anyway, just wanted to explain the camshaft a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and get it put back into the car. You want to tell them what you're doing?
Oh. So, I'm gonna put the camshaft in. Just gotta find the sweet spot.
Okay, so as you slide it in, you're gonna have to be real careful that you don't have it cocked like that. So you're gonna move it in like that, and there. So this bearing and the other bearing that already went inside of the engine are seated. Okay, that's why it can spin like that. But so as you push it on through, you're gonna have to lift up on it to where it finds the other bearing hole. So you just kind of keep doing that.
Oh yeah, just like
be real careful. Yeah. Okay, be real careful that you don't really force anything. There.
this is really comical. Ooh, is that gonna? Ooh, don't put your head in there. Oh, yeah, it's bladeless. Oh yeah, that's right, it's bladeless.
Oh, there you go. Look,
there, oh, there they are. They made it. Oh, that'll get them. That'll get them to go through.
Oh.
You just gotta say the magic word.
Oh, thank you.
Car ride.
Alright guys, so when we left off, we had just stabbed the camshaft back into the block.
Stabbed.
Yeah.
It sounds so gruesome.
Yeah, right. Hey, that's what it's called. Or putting the camshaft in the block. Whatever you want to say.
Whatever works.
Okay, so anyway, after you get the camshaft stabbed into the block, that's what I'm saying. You have to put this cover camshaft retainer back over it. You want to make sure that you lubricate that seal there.
Seals need lube too.
They do. So you want to be careful that you don't drop the bolt down into the oil pan. Drone.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright guys, so we are back and so is the weather. Of course, the weather's always changing in Florida. And right now we have a hurricane about to head our way. So everybody is scrambling to get water and gas and all their other preparations.
And you can see the next door neighbors already have their shutters up.
Yeah, that guy over there already put his shutters up. And we're like 4 days away from the hurricane getting anywhere near us. These storms here are not part of the hurricane. They're just typical afternoon showers.
It's more like 3 days, because I think it's like Monday morning.
Alright guys, so after you get the camshaft retainer on, you got to torque the bolts to 18 foot-pounds. So we have our torque wrench set to 18 foot-pounds, and Jerome is going to go ahead and torque those bolts.
Yeah. sir. Okay.
Okay. There you go. Okay, so now it's torqued. Alright guys, so next we got to put the camshaft gear back onto the camshaft. So there's an alignment mark here. Like I had explained in a previous video, this alignment mark will be pointing straight down when the engine is at top dead center of the #1 cylinder on the compression stroke. You need to put it kind of like that a little bit. Okay, so this was very tricky getting this out. It's going to be even trickier getting it back in with it all lined up.
It certainly looks a lot more tricky than putting your bicycle gear on. Your bicycle chain, I should say.
Yeah, it is. Alright. Alright guys, so it's proven to be a little more difficult to get the engine timed while the oil pump is still installed, and it's only 4 bolts to pull the oil pump off, so it's really not that big of a deal to just pull it off. So I'm going to go ahead and get it pulled off so that we can make sure that the engine is 100% timed correctly. So it's just these 4 bolts you got to break loose.
Oh, it's coming down now.
I want to be careful that I don't drop this bolt down into the oil pan.
Like I did.
Okay. Alright, so now I might need a screwdriver. Pry that pump off.
Well, do you have any orange juice and vodka?
Yeah, right.
Nice.
Alright guys, so this timing gear has a alignment hole that will slide onto the camshaft. And you have to put the chain on at the same time that you slide it onto the camshaft. So that's the tricky part. Okay, I need a bolt. Can you have me a bolt, please?
Please.
No. Camshaft bolt. It's one of those. Yep. And 5 minutes later.
Now the sky looks clear. Typical Florida, brought to you by your local weather station, Tampa Bay. Forget what the thing is. Tampa Bay at 9. I don't know. I don't know what the hell the weather channel station is.
Bay News 9.
Bay News 9. Yeah, that's it.
How long have you lived in Tampa? Alright guys, so after verifying that you have the marks lined up on the crankshaft sprocket and the camshaft sprocket, then you can go ahead and torque your camshaft sprocket bolts. And they get torqued to 26 foot-pounds. Alright guys, so then it comes time to put the oil pump back on. Okay, so you line it up. So go into the drift pin. Okay, did it go in?
Sounds like it did. Wow, I think my voice really cracked there.
Did it crack? Alright guys, so it's pretty critical that you make sure that you torque these bolts to the specified torque, because you don't want anything vibrating loose after you put everything back together. You don't want a bolt vibrating loose and then falling down into your oil pan.
And you also don't want to over torque, right? Because you could strip the bolt, right?
Right, you could strip the threads out on the block, because this is an aluminum block. You are. Very good. Alright, so now that we have these bolts torqued, this bolt down there that holds the oil suction tube into the pump, that's in and tight. These are torqued. Now we can put the timing chain cover back on.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, so we got the camshaft put back in and the cover on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and then subscribe. And also let us know if there's something that we could be doing better. Let us know what you want to see in the future, and we hope you guys stick with us.
Thank you guys for tuning in. See you on the next adventure.